Hello everyone, this is Kiran Chandranan Wagmare and today we are going to see how our fingers help us in becoming strong. Do you all know that our fingers are very strong and they can do anything we wanted to? And we can make our fingers more and more strong with the help of some finger dance exercises. It not only helps to improve our concentration but it also helps in hand-eye coordination and thus boosts our brain health. These simple finger dance exercises will also help us to use maximum capacity of our brain and thus making it more and more strong. These finger dance exercises which involves our fingers also improves our attention, focus and memory. These simple exercises focuses on general well-being and they strengthen our brain health. These finger dance exercises stimulates our fingers and the stimulation passing through our fingers to our brain improves our brain health. This stimulation improves the communication between our fingers and brain and which helps to improve fine motor skills like writing. Do you all know that every fingertip has more than 3000 mechanoreceptors, which gives us various senses like hot, cold. And then our brain gives guidelines to our body for proper functioning. It means that our fingers are directly connected to our brain and it acts as the highway to our brain, which transmits information to our brain for proper functioning of our body. Now as we know that our fingers are directly connected, so these finger dance exercises will help us to improve capturing capacity of our brain. Now we always observe that many children have one hand more dominating than the other. And that makes the part of that brain which is connected to this hand more and more developed than the other. It means that the lefties have more developed right hemisphere and the righties have more developed left brain hemisphere. These finger dance exercises will help to activate both the brain hemispheres, right and left. And thus, it improves functioning of brain and making it more and more active and sharp. So, go ahead and try them up. So, let us start with the first finger dance exercises. So, in this exercise, what we are going to do, just put your hands like this. But first, before starting any exercise or dance, just rub your hands like this and then put your hands like this. Now, suppose this is your finger number 1, this is finger number 2, this is finger number 3, this is finger number 4. When I say number 1, you simply bend your first finger and press it with the help of your thumb like this. When I say 2, second finger, 3, third finger, 4, fourth finger. Now let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the same for 10 to 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it looks simple, but when you will practice it, you will observe that it needs very high level of concentration for maintaining this sequence and doing all this inner sequence. So, in this way it improves our concentration. Let us do the next finger dance exercise. For this, what we'll do, put your one hand like this and other hand, direct the other hand like this. This is step number 1. Then change your hand like this, step number 2. Let us start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, repeat the same for 10 to 15 times and don't mess up. Maintain the sequence. As you can see, it looks very simple, but when you will do it, you will get to know that it again needs very high level of concentration and also it needs our hand-eye coordination also. So, rub your hands like this. Now, step number 3. For this, join your hands like this and do like this. This is step number 1 Press your one hand with the other hand like this. This is step number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again repeat the same for 10 to 15 times like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This exercise actually stimulates our fingers. And this stimulation, as you know, this stimulation directly passes to our brain. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Now rub your hands. Now time for the step number 4. Press your hands like this. Press it gently and then open it. Do it very fast. And keep these hands in this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Like this. Again press it. Again do it. Again repeat the same for 10 to 15 times. Again, as you can see, we are pressing our fingertips. And these fingertips is generating some stimulation, and that is going directly to our brain. So we are stimulating our brain. Very good. Now rub your hands, and this is all. If you repeat these 4 steps on daily basis, then you can actually observe that how your concentration is improving, how your memory is improving, attention is also improving, and one important thing, it is improving your hand-eye coordination, and that is helping us to improve the motor skills, fine motor skills like writing. So with this, thank you all of you. Thank you for watching.